The new Maruti Suzuki Brezza made its debut in India yesterday, and today another crossover, Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder, made its premiere there. Up to now, Vitara Brezza and Urban Cruiser have been twins and differed from each other only by emblems and decor, but now their ways have diverged. The new Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder has risen a step higher. Now it is a separate branch of evolution of well-known Suzuki Vitara model. Hyryder is a full-fledged joint development of the two companies, although Suzuki's contribution is more. In fact, Suzuki Global C platform, with semi-independent rear suspension, power structure of the body and basic power unit are borrowed from Vitara. But wheelbase is stretched from 2500 to 2600 mm. Similarities can be traced in the proportions, door shapes and some elements, although all exterior body panels are new. The length of the crossover is 4,365 mm versus the Vitara's 4,175 mm. Width is increased by 20 mm to 1,795 mm, and height by 25 mm to 1,635 mm. The base Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder has halogen headlights, LED running lights and steel 17-inch wheels. Expensive versions have full LED headlights, light alloy wheels of the same size and two-tone body paint. The basic version is equipped with Suzuki K15C gasoline atmospheric engine, which is called NeoDrive according to Toyota terminology. The engine of 1.5-liter, 102 horsepower, 135 Nm, is equipped with 48-volt starter generator that allows the developers to call such Hyryder a soft hybrid. You can choose front-wheel or all-wheel drive, but in the first case a 5-speed manual or 6-speed automatic is available, and in the second, the output is 92 horsepower and 122 Nm. It is paired with an electric motor, 80 horsepower, 141 Nm, and an electromechanical variator, and the hybrid system has a peak output of 115 horsepower, but only front-wheel drive. The lithium-ion battery should be enough for 25 km of run in electric mode. Charging from the socket is not provided. The 5-seat interior features many elements from the Indian Maruti Suzuki models, including the steering wheel, climate control unit, and some buttons. The initial configuration includes 2 airbags and a media system with a 7.
So, did you like this video? Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more content like this, and above all, leave us your comments and theories below. See you in the next video.